him and love him.
Claire, I didn't realise we had Pokemon Echo Edition.
Oh baby, we did it. Oh yeah. Man. See, now you know what to expect from the next gym.
Need to
You
train
got
up
grass
for water
type. You should be good against them, I think. Not
Do?
great, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
but I'm
I don't think
training
it's
up
super effective.
water type for the fire at the moment, aren't I? So I'll just
Feel the fighting spirit of your Pokemon as you led them into battle. Sorry, what did you say?
keep training up the water one, and then it'll do well in this.
Yeah. Not that my water one wasn't super effective. I think it was how leveled up he was. Phew, facing you gave me all the explanation I needed. Battling against you and your team, I hadn't expected it, but it made me heart dance. It's good to be unshakable in the face of battle, but it'd be good to be moved by battle as well. Thank you again. Take the fighting badge. Flying's good against fighting, actually. So, what if she had a hand buzzer instead of the badge?
Was this a fighting gym and not a ground gym?
Yes, it's fighting. Yeah, because Machamp's fighting. Yeah, it's all been fighting. Yeah. And I guess that's what the fist is. That makes sense.
Oh yeah,
God
that does.
damn it. We're so dumb. And we fought Hitmonchan and Hitmonlee. Oh, we dumb-dumbs. People were probably shouting at us for the last 2 episodes or whatever it is. So, I got a fighting uniform. It suits me. Cool. Now what do? We did it. What do we do now?
We'll find you outside.
Bow work. Who's here? It's a doggy.
It's the lab.
Sonia. Go on then, it's your turn.
Looks like Yamper really likes you, huh? Anyways, we ran into each other at a good time.
I need to press it quicker.
You know the mural here in Stone outside. It's said to tell a story of the hero of Galar. As well. No, what's there today is actually a replica of the ancient arm that used to be the hill.
What? Sorry, I took a drink. My bad. My bad.
It tend to have surprisingly sharp insides, so I was wondering what you might think when you see the ruins. Kaboom!
Oh my god!
Someone blow up the ruins.
The amplified.
Ah! What in the world was that? Sounds like it came from the direction of the ruins too. Let's have a look. Come along, Peppa.
It's funny because there's a clock in here I meant to have taken down, but I could hear the ticking as it was dead silent. I don't know if that's picked up on the mic, but that'd be quite funny if it was. Boom, baby, we did it. Alright. I like this signpost here. It looks very British, doesn't it?
Yes.
Bologna! Whatever that means. Hello, lady. It couldn't have been thunder. Right, I'm going to go heal. How long have we been going for? Do you know?
Right.
I need a timer, I
Like
think,
half
because
an
I can
hour.
no longer... I can no longer see. Oh, whoa.
What?
I think the footage is stuttering. Unless it's started in-game, I'm not too sure. I might heal up. Hopefully the footage is okay. But I'm gonna split up the footage here anyway. Just in case. I'm gonna have to close down Hopage and then reopen it and then rejoin you. Alright?
Okie dokie.
Right, Claire, where were we going next? We're going to the explosion, which always is a good idea, right? Moving towards the explosion.
yes.
Do you remember when I was on my work experience? I think I've told the story on here before. But it's a true thing, but the London bombings happened, and I was in London for my work experience, and then my mum called me up, didn't tell me what was going on, and was like, you need to come home right now, just come home, get on the bus, come home. And then the last bomb happened to be on a bus. Luckily, I was a bit...
Your bus.
I wasn't quite there, I wasn't there where it was obviously, right. So, yeah. What's going on up there? Alright. Woo! A max that revive. Hell yeah. What do you reckon's going on? Do you reckon it's Team Yell?
Hello.
Sudden big noises are a great way to get people feeling uneasy. I mean, he's got a good point.
Yeah.
Are these eyeballs? Are they watching? Are the eyeballs watching, Claire?
Maybe.
Sorry, I stared at the camera. I'm going to zoom in and impose myself onto that. I've seen you before. Are you a gym challenger? What is that? Is it Effluent?
Ooh.
You do B-Day. Or am I doing B-Day? I do B-Day.
Destroy it! Destroy it all!
Okay.
We're going to find those wishing stars. Where'd my stream go?
What? What do you mean?
Stream stopped then.
Wait, is it still going?
I got it back. That's weird. It just came up. It flicked back to when we started in the Poké Centre and had a little thing saying watch stream, and I was like, wasn't I already watching the stream?
Come on, it's your turn. Come
We
on.
want to bring the chairman more wishing stars if we want to please him and tease him and love him. Did I take it too far?
Can't see the disgusted face I'm making. Copper jar is what she called him.
If you're truly the chairman's Pokemon, then you should feel grateful for the chance to help him.
Find wishing stars. Did you not want to finish it?
But it didn't come through. It kind of froze a bit. It's freezing a
Oh,
bit.
weird. Maybe leave and go back in.
Oh my, you again.
Oh, look, the music's really good in this. I'm liking
So
it
you
a
think
lot.
that you can start collecting wishing stars now and get into the chairman's favour? Way things of things, is it? I see. So do you have some cunning in you? What the hell? But I won't have it. I won't allow anyone to
Oh, I
stand
don't have to
in
fight
my
him again, do
way.
I?
Let the chairman
God
be in
damn it.
love with me.
Get the fuck out of here, old lady! I know you're not an old lady. I know you're a guy, but you look like an old lady. Ooh, duosion. I don't know what that is. It's a jelly, Claire. It's a floating jelly.
Oh, I've had this before.
I think we've seen it before. Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely looks
she
familiar.
fought it with me in the... I'm gonna quickly maybe disconnect.
I thought you did that anyway. I thought you was gonna leave.
Hello?
Hello?
I disconnected and reconnected.
Is it any better? It's not moving right now.
Maybe.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, look at that. She looks so fancy.
Oh.
Imposing her from... Wait, you haven't been coming up with names for these.
Oh.
What's going on?
I was a
You've
bit,
given up on that game.
bit distracted that her feet don't touch the floor.
No, it's floating.
No, but his hands are...
Side beam? No! What do you mean? Yeah, it's like it's balancing on its hair.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah,
That's its hair,
hands are
look. Yeah, it's like got its hands up like that.
I think I could grow
Holding
my
its
hair
hair
long
up.
enough to do that.
Stop healing, you little bitch! What, sorry?
Oh. Damn.
What did you say?
I was just saying, do you think I could grow my hair long enough to do that?
Yeah, why not? Do it. And your hair's pretty long anyway.
But it's not longer
Right.
than my legs.
True, that is true. That's how long your hair is. That's you right there,
Yeah. I will put pigtails in.
Claire. And I will destroy you with water! Water guns
Oh.
from my fingers! A bit blowy, what's going on?
Sorry,
It's a
I don't know.
tornado.
You always complain I'm in a tornado.
I know, because it's always bloody blowy.
Oh my
Do you
lord.
really think... Oh, I didn't even read that in time. Oh! Oh, it's so cute! It's so cute! What would you call Ponyta? Would you give it a better name? You there?
Yeah, I'm here. Whoa.
Roy, I thought you said Roy.